Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, there is a weak trough system in the center of the basin, and we also have the frontal boundary north of the area, together helping to generate clouds, showers, and some thunderstorms as well across the Caribbean, particularly over the northern Caribbean and central portions of the basin. There is a weak trough system also in the southwestern portion of the Caribbean that does have some isolated shower activity across the area. We can also see the intertropical convergence zone flaring up across the region, helping to bring some shower activity into the open waters of the basin. Forecast for tonight: fair skies are expected across most of the island. The temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius with 5-knot winds on both coasts. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting generally sunny conditions across most of the island. For the afternoon, there are some showers and some thunderstorms expected mainly across inland areas and some parts of western parishes. 34 degrees Celsius, that's the temperature we're expecting in Kingston. We expect a high of 33 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. The breakdown has some partly cloudy skies in the afternoon tomorrow in Kingston in Halfway Tree. We're expecting showers and possible thunderstorms in Spanish Town, Maypen, and Mandeville. Expect cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions for Santa Cruz. Also for Savannah, Lamar, and Negril, with isolated showers likely in Montego Bay and Falmouth. Over the inland areas, that's where we're expecting our shower and thunderstorms in Christiana, Grange Hill, also Cave Valley. We expect showers also with thunderstorms in Brownstown and in Golden Spring. The next few days does present those isolated afternoon showers across the area, especially across inland areas on Saturday, and then on Sunday across central and western parishes. Across the north tomorrow, expect winds from the east at 10 knots with wave heights reaching a meter. While for the south, the winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. Easterlies are expected in offshore areas with speeds between 10 and 15 knots and wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters, while the winds are from the east-southeast on the weekend into Monday, wind speeds between 10 and 15 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow, 6:28, 6:31 in Mandeville, 6:34 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.